Hello friends, this is Raju Riaz. So today we are going to talk about Olaplex. What is Olaplex? Olaplex kiman important hoy amak hair karone. I'll tell you. It's a hair insurance for the clients. Hair insurance for your apnaloko hair insurance hoy to. Keneka insurance hoy ki kam kore moi bujai asu. So Olaplex actually bone building technology ase ete. So amar ki hoy during the chemical treatment ami straightening koru ba poming koru ba lightening koru ba bleaching jo ko ami ebla korile amar blonder boli je ko to ebla logale ki hol hair damage hoy kitaba over process hoy kitaba karba sulit kam beshi kori jay ba ebla alop digdar hoy breakage hoy sulibla frizzy hoy unmanageable hoy jay tak maintain koribo karone tak thik koribo karone ami to spa koi thaku kintu tar upor to ase amar treatment. So spa is very good for hair nourishment and detox kore aru amar shori to healthy rakhe. But apart from that ami jodi Olaplex treatment to jodi jar beshi damage ase bahut breakage ase for chemical treatment or karone jodi bare sobe koribo to lagiboi amar sobe without chemical to amar straightening coloring ebla to nahibo to koi thakile tak bhal rakhibo karone apni Olaplex treatment to koribo lagibo. So ek number hoi gol amar chemical damage. So chemical bare kori thakile repetition kori thakile to amar ki hoy hair to damage hoy hetu dio damage hoy chemical logale damage hoy kitaba breakage hoy like straightening or breakage hoy pumping or breakage hoy ba lightening korileo breakage hoy tar pisot pollution or karneo damage hoy amar not only chemical pollution or karneo damage hoy aru plus heat bahut dhoroner ase heat amar ami ironing ghor to mara jay heator karneo hoy bahut ami heat tools use koru tar karneo hoy aru eta ase environmental damage. Environmental kone eku nokorileo amar damage ho pare for because of environmental damage. So eneka amar damage amar ahe chemical damage, pollution damage, heat damage and environmental damage. So ami repair ki kori we take Olaplex treatment. So Olaplex is good choice. So apnan aji hair insurance korai lo.